Are you drinking diet water to help yourself lose weight? Claims and benefits of diet water. Certain Japanese water brands, such as those with no gluten diet water, claim to offer added nutritional benefits. These can include the addition of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, or other nutrients to boost overall nutritional intake. Another important claim linked with a water diet is its potential to manage body weight. Some water diet products claim 0 calories, making them an attractive alternative to sugary or high-calorie drinks. Research and studies on diet water. The claim that adding specific ingredients to water can significantly lose weight or provide real health benefits requires more careful scientific investigation. Relying solely on marketing claims or anecdotal evidence regarding diet water may lead to false beliefs and potentially not effective or unsafe practices. Alternatives to diet water for weight loss. When it comes to lessening fat, it is necessary to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet while adding regular physical activity. Several alternative ways can aid in cutting off bad fats. Here are some alternatives to consider. Hydration with regular water. Water contains 0 calories and can help you feel fuller, lessening the attempts to consume excess calories. Apple cider vinegar. In a small study, people who take an apple cider vinegar while following a low-calorie diet lost better weight and had lower cholesterol levels than those who merely followed the plan. Click the link in the description below to know more.